Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to Hot Picks Weekly. This week we've gathered 10 must-have coffee gadgets that will take your coffee experience to the next level. Stay until the end to discover an incredible bestseller that thousands of people are raving about. And here's the best part. All products come with free shipping and ship from local warehouses, meaning super fast delivery. No more waiting weeks for your orders. Get your coffee gear fast and fresh. Let's dive in. Kicking things off, we have the portable espresso coffee maker. With its 7,500 milliamp hour battery, it delivers high-pressure coffee wherever you go. At just $58.24, it's a dream come true for travel and outdoor coffee lovers. Next up, the Maestri House Milk Frother. Featuring 3 foam thickness settings and smart temperature control, this frother is perfect for making cafe-quality drinks at home. For $56.73, it's a must-have for latte art lovers. Start your morning right with this 3-in-1 coffee maker. It brews coffee, toasts bread, and even cooks eggs and sausages, all in one machine. For $53.17, this all-in-one breakfast station is a total game changer. For the perfect grind, the Frother conical burr grinder offers 35 precise grind settings and a quiet operation. It's currently available for $32.49, an absolute steal for coffee aficionados. This single-serve coffee maker is ideal for home, office, or travel, and works with both ground coffee and K-Cups. At $43.79, it's the perfect companion for a quick and delicious cup of coffee. Experience authentic Italian coffee with this 9-cup mocha pot. Crafted from durable aluminum, it brews rich and smooth espresso. At only $18.75, it's an affordable way to elevate your coffee game. Whether you need hot water for tea or coffee, this travel electric kettle has 4 temperature controls and a compact design. At just $21.17, it's a travel essential. Tired of stirring? This self-mixing electric cup does the job for you with USB charging and stainless steel durability. Get yours now for just $7.55. Protect your coffee bar with this silicone coffee mat. Designed to catch spills and keep your space tidy, it's an essential for just $17.93. Finally, here's our #1 bestseller, the Plum Chef high-pressure coffee maker. With its steam control and stainless steel design, it creates barista-quality espresso at home. Thousands swear by it. Get it for just $86.77. And that's a wrap for this week's Hot Picks. Which product is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new trending deal. See you next time.